we're going to move this because wants to get 6 feet wide at least and tall. It's too crowded in this space, okay? So we're
Right.
going to dig it up and move it over there.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Wow. Very nice. You're a strong lady, all right. God bless you. Wow. It is a stubborn one.
It's got a big root here.
Do you need a helping hand? As if
Do I need?
you know.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that is really a joke.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh wow. Well done.
Okay.
Well done. Very
Very good.
nice. Very nice. Wow.
Because we know the soil is really bad here.
Huh?
So I have to put compost because we know the soil
Soil
is
is
not
not
good. Yeah. Press, right?
Yeah. Press, okay. Oh wow.